We're going to start with the hip slide, where we bring our hips side to side, keeping the waist parallel to the floor. So there's no tilting or twisting, just straight to the side. Nice and stretchy to the side, opening the hips on each side. One more, then into the hips, bending one knee and the other. This hip scoop is real nice in labor too, helping you to ground into your body, and the downward tilt of the pelvis helping the baby move downward. All my weight's on the back foot. This front foot, I have the heel lifted, and I don't have any weight on it. I'm just touching it there for balance. And with all the weight on the back, the front hip is free to move. So I'm going to circle it, bringing it forward, up, back, not tilting the tailbone up, but keeping the open sacrum, down, front, up, back, down. This is a good move if a baby's in a strange position to help really tilt the pelvis, help pop it out of any strange position. All the weight in the back, front heel is up, and straightening the knee a bit to drive the hip up. It's a real small motion. It looks bigger than it really is. Now we'll bring it up quick. Squeeze the butt and relax. Squeeze, relax. When you squeeze, feel everything jiggle. Squeeze, relax. Jiggle, relax. And now quick. Up, 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 up. Good and bouncy. Just the knee working. This thigh holding you in place. And now we're going to bend one knee deeper, like we did with the scoop, but this time we're making it a quick bend of the knee. And you see my waistband, it's pulling that hip down, 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 down. Let your belly be relaxed, and your buns relaxed. So this is a slow-mo shimmy. We'll go a little quicker. Bump, 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 bump. And you should feel the jostle, the jiggle. That means there's stress being relieved. I have brought in my lovely assistant, my sweetie, to help demonstrate how the father or a doula or anyone that you have with you at your birth assisting, how they can help you to remember to move during those contractions. And if there's any freezing up, it can really help having someone behind you to gently rock your hips side to side.